Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we are going to learn how to record amazing vocals using your PreSonus StudioLive 32 console and a laptop. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. First, let's gather our gear. You will need your PreSonus StudioLive 32 mixer, a good microphone, an XLR cable for the microphone, your laptop, a USB cable, Type B to Type A, to connect the mixer to the laptop, and a pair of headphones. A Digital Audio Workstation, or DAW, like PreSonus Studio One, will be essential on your laptop. Let's begin the setup. Connect your microphone to an input channel on your StudioLive 32. For example, use channel 1. Make sure it's firmly plugged in. Next, connect the StudioLive 32 to your laptop using the USB cable. Plug the square end into the mixer and the rectangular end into your laptop. Now, power on your StudioLive 32 first, then turn on your laptop. Once your laptop is ready, open your preferred DAW. In your DAW's settings or preferences, find the audio device setup. Select the PreSonus StudioLive 32 as your audio interface. This tells your computer to use the mixer for sound input and output. You might also set your sample rate, typically 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz, and a low buffer size, like 128 samples, to reduce recording latency. Now, let's configure the StudioLive 32. On the channel where your microphone is connected, adjust the gain knob. Speak into the microphone and watch the meters on the mixer. You want a strong signal, but avoid the red lights, which indicate clipping. If you are using a condenser microphone, remember to press the 48V phantom power button for that channel. Condenser mics need this power to work. Next, set up your monitor mix. Use an AUX send on the StudioLive to create a dedicated mix for your headphones. This lets you hear yourself clearly without any delay. Route this AUX send to your headphones output. Time to set up your DAW. Create a new mono audio track in your DAW. On this new track, select the input that corresponds to your microphone channel on the StudioLive. So, if your mic is on StudioLive channel 1, select input 1 in your DAW track settings. Click the record arm button on your track. This prepares the track to record. Speak into your microphone again. Check the input levels within your DAW. They should be strong but not clipping. For vocal recording, it's often best to monitor your voice directly through the StudioLive console. This gives you zero latency monitoring. If you do this, make sure to disable software monitoring in your DAW for that track to prevent hearing a delayed duplicate of your voice. Finally, we are ready to record. Put on your headphones and make sure your monitor mix sounds good. When you are ready, hit the record button in your DAW. Sing or speak into your microphone. When you are finished, press stop in your DAW. You have now recorded your vocals. To listen back, disable the record arm button on your track. Then, simply press play in your DAW. Adjust the playback volume as needed. You can now hear your recorded performance. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps you capture some fantastic vocal performances. If you found this video helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking this video and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you next time.